how to change your Uber driver profile picture. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pin Visnath, and on this video today I'll guide you on how you can change your Uber driver account profile picture. Well, without wasting time, let's get straight into the video. Here on the official support page of Uber, here as you can see under driving and delivering, the options to update profile picture. Here are certain conditions so that you can change your profile picture. You'll have to be unrecognizable due to significant amount of change in your appearance, such as significant weight changes, facial deformation, medical conditions, plastic or cosmetic surgery. However, if you want to change it, then here you can see, in order to get help with changing your profile picture, simply first head into your browser. Right now I'm just showing you the fastest way here, searching for Uber driver profile picture change, as I've done so here. Once you search for it, down below you'll get update profile photo, driving and delivering. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it, what you want to do is scroll down, and here you can see the option that says login to get help. Simply tap on login to get help option, and here you can log into your account and it should take you straight to the option to fill up the form. On the form, you'll have to mention why you want to change your profile picture with appropriate reasons, and the Uber support will get back to you. So this is how you can update your Uber driver profile picture. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.